When your Sceptre monitor displays no signal, entering power save mode, it means the monitor isn't receiving a video signal from your computer and is automatically switching to a low power state to conserve energy. This is one of the most common monitor issues, especially as more people work remotely and use multiple monitor setups. The problem typically stems from four main causes. Let's start with the most common solution: checking your cable connections. First, make sure all cables are firmly plugged in at both ends. Next, try different cable types. If you're using HDMI, try DisplayPort or vice versa. This helps determine if the cable itself is faulty. The third step is to power cycle both your monitor and computer. Turn off both devices, unplug their power cables for 30 seconds, then plug them back in and power them on. Finally, make sure your monitor's input source matches the cable you're using. Use the monitor's input or source button to cycle through available inputs until you find the correct one. These 4 quick steps resolve the majority of no signal issues with Sceptre monitors. If these basic troubleshooting steps don't work, the problem may require more advanced solutions. When basic troubleshooting steps don't resolve your Sceptre monitor's no signal issue, these advanced techniques will help you identify and fix the underlying problem. First, update your graphics drivers to the latest versions. This is the most common solution for signal issues and should be your first advanced step. For NVIDIA graphics cards, visit the NVIDIA website and download the latest game-ready drivers for your specific GPU model. AMD users should download the latest Radeon drivers from AMD's official website for optimal compatibility. Intel integrated graphics users need Intel chipset drivers, which can be found on Intel's support website. Next, test your display connection in safe mode. This helps determine if the issue is software-related by using basic display drivers. Modify power management settings that can interfere with display signals. Disable USB selective suspend and adjust PCI Express power management. Test your monitor with a different computer or device. This helps determine if the problem is with your monitor or your computer's graphics system. If other devices work fine, perform a factory reset on your Sceptre monitor using the on-screen display menu. This clears any corrupted settings. For USB-C connections, ensure adequate power delivery and bandwidth. Docking stations often cause signal issues due to power limitations or bandwidth sharing. To prevent future signal issues, regularly update your graphics drivers, inspect cables for damage, and maintain proper power management settings. These proactive steps will save you troubleshooting time.